Andamos tirando este cemento. La casa, vamos a hacerle un techito de fierro con una cerca de fierro todo alrededor, un porche para que salgan a pasar las tardes. We're right here at this house, throwing some concrete. We're gonna add a roof to these 4x4s. Then we're gonna do a little fence all the way around. It's gonna be a porch with ceiling fans and all that for the people that live here. Throwing the concrete right now at this house at Linares Street. Anda Leo, Mano Risa, Julio, Baby, Jesse, Rafa y Huicho. Aquí andamos todos. Están siendo un poquito tarde porque no nos traían el cemento. It took for them a while to bring the concrete cement because they said that they're really busy at the border wall with the concrete. So they're really busy right now. They went to get more concrete so we can finish here. Thank you very much. God bless you. Dios los bendiga. Ahora es Castillo Fencing, Welding and Construction.